we're going on a late night ride, bike ride. We just got to Knoxville, and we might be riding up to the stands, or it might be too dark for the GoPro to see.
Where are you going?
Thought we were going up to Ivy.
We're going to the grandstands.
Okay, going there first.
Yeah. Ooh.
Bumping your fender, dude.
You go ahead of me. Slow down. Okay, green. All right, go through this way.
Sure we could sneak in if we don't put that.
Yeah.
Just so I remembered it.
Let's go see if we can see the track.
Okay. They kind of way there. Maybe not.
Think the lights are on?
What?
You think the lights are on?
Maybe. Hopefully
Whoa!
they are.
It's hard to drive this scooter and hold this thing at the same time.
Really? You can't drive with one hand?
Well, I'm trying.
I can drive with one hand.
My balance isn't that good.
I think we should hop. Bada bing. Can't stop. Please stop. Beep, 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 beep. Please stop.
No lights on, Chief. What happened, bud?
I don't know. I turned it all the way. Turned it all the way backwards and I dropped it. Was that Audrey and Spencer in there?
I don't think so.
Thought I saw.
Racing you. Eh.
I'm so fast right
I'm catching you. Oh, I'm going dead.
now. Go, bud.
Oh, I'm gonna have to push it home. Dang.
Seriously, you didn't charge any of these things batteries?
No, I didn't know how to charge them. You were gonna have to show me how.
Oh my gosh.
She's done, bud.
There's one on your bench that's been on the charger for a few, like, months.
See anybody at the dingus, you know?